In this video, we will introduce SunBurn's built-in collision system. First, it is not a physics system. Instead, it offers simple and fast collision detection suitable for most games. Let's begin by covering the collision properties on scene objects. First is the receives updates property. This value is required for objects that you want to be updated every frame, such as those that move or have updatable components. It must be checked if you want an object to be affected by gravity or collisions. Leave this property unchecked for static objects that should not move when a collision occurs. Next is the collision type property. This value controls how the collision system will handle the object. If the value is set to no collisions, then the system will not simulate the object. It will not collide, be moved, or be affected by gravity. If set to solid object, then it will collide with other objects as expected. If set to trigger, then the object will not collide with other objects, but instead fire an event when another object passes through it. This value is useful for creating activation triggers for doors, elevators, and other scripted events. After that is the Hall type property. This property controls what type of shape to use for the collision detection. Each shape has its own benefits, and the choice depends on the general shape of your object. The box Hall type is the most useful, while the sphere Hall type is more practical for round objects. There is also the mesh Hall type that uses the object's model for collision detection. It is the most accurate, but can only be used with static objects. If the receives updates property is checked, the object cannot use the mesh Hall type. It is perfect for unusually shaped objects that do not move. Next, you can control which objects are pulled by gravity with the affected by gravity property. When this value is unchecked, the object will not be influenced by gravity in any way. You can then change the gravitational force in the current scene environment. Finally, you can control the collisions per surface in the Materials tab. The elasticity and friction properties on each material will influence how an object will react when it collides with that surface. You now have the basics for using SunBurn's built-in collision system. In the next video, we will cover how to light map your objects in the SunBurn editor.